Hey guys, welcome to another video. About a year ago, I bought these. These are shoes I bought from Aliexpress as a bit of an experiment to see how well they would last. And well, let me try and keep these in focus. I've worn these for, I think, about 6 months now as my daily driver shoes. And I've worn the other pair I showed in that video too, and, well, I really like them. They were cheap, and, yeah, they did very well. So, I bought this pair while it was on sale for about $26. And for the quality, that's an amazing price. So I thought, hey, I like these and the other pair so much, and these have held up so well, why not I buy another pair? So, during the 11th of the 11th sale, I bought a new pair. So, let's take a look at these. These are a bit more expensive. These costed $40 while on sale. And, well, let's see if that reflects in the quality or not. So, let me unbox this on a very professional way here, because we get some tiny baby socks, I guess. I don't know, are these sneaker socks? No clue. I'm not going to use those. And sorry for the noise. Here we have the shoes. I moved my microphone. Just 1 second. There we go. And as you can hopefully see, let me see if I can focus on that. There we go. These are, I got them a size larger because the other ones were a bit snug. They fit, and I ordered them the same size as I had European shoes. But I ordered these one size bigger. And although I just unboxed them, I already tried them out before the video. And I can definitely say these are a bit higher quality or a higher class shoe than the other ones, but they cost twice as much even while on sale. So, yeah. These look really nice. I mean, there's a bit more cushioning to them, I think. And when I wore them earlier, I would easily compare them to some 120 euro Nikes I get here in the Netherlands. So, I just wanted to keep this really short. If you're in doubt about buying shoes on AliExpress, this is a certain brand, and often if you stick with a brand, even if it's a Chinese brand, quality will be okay. If you buy some no-name, no-brand, whatever, quality will be likewise probably not that great. But these leaning, definitely leaning these shoes, I really like them, and I can wholeheartedly say, if you want a pair of cheap shoes and they're on sale, definitely get them. To do that, I'll have some links in the description. And yeah, see you guys next video. Bye-bye.